Everybody get up.
Good? Good?
Yeah, awesome.
Why are you dressed up like that?
I don't know, I'm going to the moon.
Oh, a little bit shorter.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. Are you nervous, excited?
Excited,
yeah?
excited, yeah.
Nice, nice. Well, it's normal to be nervous.
All right.
When that door opens, okay?
Yeah.
It's really normal.
Okay.
It's healthy. It means that you love life and you love being around.
That's
so
right.
that's
right.
good, you know?
That's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
So don't worry. Scott will do everything for you except putting a smile in your face, you know?
I'll do
that you'll do, okay? So
Right.
keep always looking at me.
Okay.
We get out, 10 seconds after that I'll put up my right hand,
Right.
grab it,
Yeah.
I'll take us for a spin.
All right.
Keep on the smile, throw kisses,
Okay.
man, just have fun, okay?
I'll do that, thank you.
Perfect. Are you celebrating anything special?
No, just the first timer, you know?
Just life.
Just wanted to, yeah, life. You love it.
Perfect, man. You will enjoy it.
All right.
A lot.
All right.
Okay?
Okay.
See you in a moment.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Like the Red Sea, you split me open. Somehow knew these wings were stolen. All you did was save my life. Tried to run, but I couldn't move. Well, I paid for these concrete shoes, but like the singer that sings the blues, you saw hope in the hopeless. I'm not dying. All you did was save my life. Pull me out of that flat line. Put the heartbeat back inside. I'm not dying. All you did was get me through. I owe every breath to you. Heart and soul unparalyzed. All you did was save my life. Save my life. walked in the room. Like a Red Sea, you split me open. Somehow knew these wings were stolen. I'm not dying. All you did was save my life.
Great
Awesome,
job!
awesome.
Is it?
Guys, yeah.
Yeah?
The best thing I ever done.
Oh
Yeah, the
yeah! Congratulations, you did a
Thank you,
great
buddy.
job!
Thank you.
Nice guy.
And
Yeah.
you too, Scott! Great job, man!
God,
Woo.
this is the best.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah! Would you do that again, Pinto?
Of course.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice! Which was your favorite part?
The spin that he took,
Yeah?
Scott took, yeah.
Congratulations, man!
Great.
Woo! You did it!
Yes.
Yeah?
Always wanted to do this, the craziest thing. And today I did it. I'm so happy. It
Yeah!
was awesome. Thank you.
Pinto
Nice.
the conqueror today.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is for sure.
Yeah.
Thank you for jumping at Skydiving Burnaby. Well, as you see, another happy student. The
Amazing.
next one.
You looked at me as you walked in the room. Like the Red Sea, you split me open. Somehow knew these wings were stolen. All you did was